In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to a bank account using the MoneyGram website. If you need to transfer money securely online, this process is designed to be simple and straightforward. I'll walk you through the main actions you need to take on the site so you can move through the transfer with confidence and avoid common mistakes when entering banking details. To begin, go to the MoneyGram website and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct website and a secure internet connection, especially since you'll be working with personal and financial information. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that your account is fully accessible and that you're ready to start a new transfer. After that, click on the Send Money option. This is where the transfer process begins. You'll then be asked to choose the recipient's country. Be careful here, because selecting the correct destination country is important for showing the right delivery methods, currency options, and banking requirements. A small error at this stage can affect the rest of the transfer setup, so it's worth double checking before continuing. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the transfer amount, pay attention to the currency and any fees or exchange rate details that may appear on the screen. This helps you understand the total cost of the transaction and how much the recipient is expected to receive. If you're sending a specific amount for a bill, family support, or another purpose, reviewing these figures carefully can help prevent confusion later. Once the amount is entered, choose the receiving option. For this type of transfer, select either account deposit or direct to bank, depending on how it appears on the website. Both options are meant for sending the money directly into the recipient's bank account rather than for cash pickup, so make sure you choose the one that matches the banking delivery method shown for that country. You'll then need to enter the recipient's bank information. This includes the bank name, routing number, and account number. Take your time with this step because accuracy matters. Even a single incorrect digit can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong account. It's a good idea to verify the details directly with the recipient before submitting anything. Once all of that information has been entered correctly, you'll be in a strong position to continue through the remaining on-screen prompts and complete your transfer. Follow each field carefully, review everything before final confirmation, and you'll make the process much smoother from start to finish.